If you understand the steps that I'm about to share with you in this video, you will be able to step by step turn your negative P&L curve upside down, reach profitability, and watch that P&L curve keep going up and to the right. If you don't know who I am, I'm on my way to make $1 million in trading profits after 3 years of no more than 3 hours trading per day. I'm the founder of TradeJournal.co, a platform that helps traders maximize their alpha, free trading journal wheels included, and my personal goal is to become one of the best Momo traders of our time. These videos allowed me to share and learn with you guys. I've spent years studying other traders, reviewing my own trades, reflecting, discussing, and praying to the pre-market guides. Here are 5 trading mindset realizations I've had that are fundamental to get your trading out of the trenches and start seeing real results. First realization, know your strategy. You can find strategies by following different traders. At TradeJournal.co, we have verified traders using an assortment of different strategies. This is great for beginners or experienced traders looking to add a new strategy to their toolbox. But beware, you have to be very selective here. In life, we all know the grass is always greener. And that saying rings especially true for trading. There are endless strategies and they all seem to promise easier success than our current strategy. Once I found my strategy, I put total blinders on. I cut out the noise and I got to business perfecting that one strategy. Almost 3 years later, I still have tons to learn, but I know exactly what to look for every day while I'm trading, and that made all the difference. I first did a small account challenge, and only once I was profitable, I funded an unlimited account. That's an account funded over $25,000 to avoid any US broker restrictions due to the pattern day trader rule. Realization number 2, you don't always need to trade. Knowing what to look for can be extremely liberating. It allows you to stop trading without having a bad conscience. If setups aren't there, walk away. And when you do see your setups, well, we'll cover that in realization number 4. Not always trading has been especially true for 2022. Most of this year has been a total snooze fest for long biased Momo traders like myself. I've actually enjoyed the time to recharge a bit, study more, and make sure I'm ready for when things pick up again. Something I've personally been learning is improving my options trading and my swing trading abilities. Those studies paid off recently when I had one of my biggest profit months this year due to those new learnings. For realization number 3, always focus on risk. It's the most important. When you find yourself thinking about how much you can make, that's usually before a big red trade. Developing your trading rules is going to be a fundamental part of your trading. One of the most important rules ever is your max loss rule. For example, when I'm down 25% of my biggest green day, I'm no longer allowed to keep trading. Say my biggest green day was $2,000. That means when I'm red on the day, $500, it's a hard stop and I need to throw in the towel. In the slow summer months, I usually tighten that up even more. To avoid hitting my max stop, I'll keep reducing my position size the more red I get on any green day. Inversely, if I'm doing well that day, I'll keep sizing up to take advantage of my flow and to maximize my profits. Here's a post where I list all my trading rules. Realization number 4, always ask yourself, what's the quality of this setup? Warren Buffett is notorious for having over allocations. There's many articles like this one that share how Berkshire Hathaway has 86% of its assets invested into just 3 stocks. I'm paraphrasing here, but he's often saying he wishes he could put all of his eggs into just one stock. But that would be hard due to his position size. That's because he's always looking for the perfect opportunity at any given time. High certainty equals focus. Low certainty equals diversification. For us, that would be the same as seeing that A+ setup and then scaling aggressively above our average size. That's when we want to scale with 3, 5, or even 10x average size, as long as we don't create an unfavorable situation, such as becoming your own squeeze, or if your size makes it too hard to follow your own rules. Rules such as cutting your losses quickly, which larger sizes make harder. I like to say patience, aggression, and size. You'll hear me repeat that often on my weekday trading live streams. Be patient for the right setup, get aggressive when it counts, and size like crazy when you're winning. Finally, realization number 5, less is more. Cut the bad stuff. Less trades, less strategies, less setups. I did a monthly recap a while back where after I analyzed my tradejournal.co stats, I cut all my strategies down to just one, my most profitable one. This was extremely refreshing because it allowed me to focus on less, which in turn kept me from over trading. Another benefit was I knew exactly what to study. With a clear strategy, with one pattern and one philosophy, mine being is the price over VWAP and the 9 EMA on a 1 and 5 minute chart, yes or no? If so, let's trade that front side. If not, then no trading. Time to find a ticker that is in a front side trend, wait or call it. That's simple. Now the thing is, even after learning how to think like a professional trader, you still have a problem. Becoming a professional trader doesn't happen overnight, and that can be mentally really tough, as bills still need to get paid. Luckily for you, I've lived through and addressed that problem. Check out this video where I break down the 5 best side hustles I did before becoming a professional trader to really get the results you want.